What's up, everyone? All right, so I got a review. Geiger bag. All right, I previously already reviewed one of his bags and I was highly disappointed, but I really want a multicolored bag, and he seems to be like the king of multicolored products just in general. I was like, damn, I went on his site. He had a lot of multicolored stuff, so if you're looking for multicolored shit, go to his website. I mean, just don't order no micro bag because that bag is meant for a dog. But, okay. This is much better. This is a normal size bag and it's cute. Okay, let me give y'all a close up. See that? The material is nice. It's very cute. It's definitely a statement bag. Alright, let's open it up. Take all these little wrappers off. I love when designers make their bag so that it can be like long or short, like the chains, so that you can wear like different ways. And I see from looking at this that this is one of those bags, which is dope. All right. I'm impressed with this bag now. Definitely impressed, because that last one I was like, ooh, I don't know what I'm gonna get when I order this other bag, but Geiger, however you say his name, he redeemed himself. Alright. So, alright, you can wear it like this, honey. Or you can wear it like this. Oh, the things are over there. Okay. Or like this. You can wear it crossbody. Okay, I can dig this. This is cute. Alright, now let's look at spacing. What can fit in here? What do I have? Okay, I got my charger. Okay, got a little bag. Alright, so here's the inside. It has a little pocket here for like your ID or something, I guess. Yeah. So, obviously, I don't have my phone because I'm recording with it. Otherwise, I would show you that a phone would fit in here. I don't really have anything else to show. No. Okay. Well, a phone will fit just fine in here. And some keys. Alright, this is the bag. This is the bag. Okay, it's very cute. And here's the back of it. Alright, so Bree recommends, if you're trying to look for a statement piece, something bold, this would be a great option. Alright, Bree recommends.